Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Busalaki from Collaborative Classroom, and today I'm going to talk to you about being a writer. In this unboxing video, I will go over all the materials included in your Being a Writer kit and explain best practices for incorporating these materials into your lessons. I'll be using the grade 3 materials today for this video, but please know that you will find similar materials in all Being a Writer kits for grades K through 5. I've already unwrapped all the materials, and the first thing I notice is this inventory card. This just lists everything that you should have in your box. So I would start by checking off the list to make sure that you have everything that you need. Each Being a Writer kit comes with an implementation handbook for your grade level. The implementation handbook provides support for teaching the program and includes a program overview, instructional and assessment support, sample schedules, and other planning resources. So before diving into your teacher's manuals, I highly recommend that you thoroughly review the implementation handbook and just use Post-it notes to tab sections that you wish to revisit. The Being a Writer program is divided into 6 to 8 units depending on your grade level, and you will have a teacher's manual for each unit. In grades K through 2, the units are intended to be taught in order, but in grades 3 through 5, you can first teach units 1 and 2, and then the remaining genre-specific units can be taught in any order. The program also includes a rich collection of mentor texts that highlight the distinctive characteristics of the various genres that are being taught, and also provide really authentic models for students to learn from as they develop their own ideas and improve in their writing craft. The Student Writing Handbook is included for grades 1 through 5. As a resource for student practice and reference, the handbook contains excerpts, practice activities, and proofreading and grammar resources. Finally, in kindergarten and grade 1, your kit will also include wipe-off boards and dry erase markers. In grades K and 1, teachers will be modeling writing letters and words and sentences, and then students will follow along on their individual wipe-off boards. Everything I've just showed you here are your physical materials. There are many other essential resources and materials that are necessary for your instruction that are only available on the Learning Portal. Inside the front cover of your implementation handbook, you'll find a QR code that you can scan to get set up with your Learning Portal account. On the Learning Portal, you'll find lesson resources such as reproducibles, projectables, and assessments. Additionally, there are planning resources, professional development videos, student-facing resources, and for grades 3, 4, and 5, you will have access to the digital-only writing assessment preparation guide. On the Learning Portal, you can also submit a question to our chat agents, and if an agent is available, you can receive answers to your questions in real time. I hope that this Being a Writer unboxing video was helpful for you. We are here to help you as you begin your journey with being a writer. Once you're on the Learning Portal, we are just a click away, and we look forward to supporting you.